Let's get ready for work with what I have in my closet. It's Friday. Eh? Mm, It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's weekend. One can rest. One can relax the body, relax the muscle. This weekend, all I want to do is eat, sleep, Netflix, and chill, and wash some dirty clothes. So today after work, I'm going to start washing some dirty clothes, and then yeah, just relax. And then in the weekend, relax and chill. Just chill, because I'm really tired. I'm really, really tired and exhausted. But anyway, it's Friday. Let's get ready for work. This is my basic layer. You guys know, black, 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 black. So today I'm going for full black. No, I'm going for full black. This is the basic layer. I have this dress. I can't remember where I actually got this dress from. You know, but yeah, I have this black dress. I love it. I love this black dress. So this is what I'm going to wear for work. It's a beautiful um black dress. Very, very beautiful. It's a very beautiful black dress. I can't remember where I got this, I can't really remember where I got this dress from. But sometimes for me, buying the clothes is not about the price. It's more about do I like the clothes? Do I like how it feels? That's why sometimes when I know I made a video, I think some days ago, I don't know, the blue dress I posted and I said I bought that dress from the Aldi, and someone said, "Oh, you buy dress from the Aldi?" I'm like, "Yeah, when I like something, I like something. I don't buy dress based on big brand names. I don't. If you see all my clothes I wear, I barely have big brand names on them. I buy something that looks good on me and feels good to me. Um, I don't look at prices. If I like something, I don't look at prices. I can buy a dress for four, 5, 600 euros. I can buy a dress for €5. I don't really care. It's all about, do I like it? Does it feel good on me? That's it. That's it. I don't buy a dress. Oops. I don't buy a dress based on because it's a designer. That's not how my style goes. I buy something because I like it. And I'm not the type of person to buy something because everybody have it. That's one thing I don't like. I don't want what everyone have. I don't know if it's a normal thing, but I don't want what everyone have. I don't want to look like everyone. I don't like to dress and then everyone have the same dressing. I don't like it. I don't like it. You know, I don't like what everyone like. I'm not really a fast fashion girl. I'm not a fashionista. I just like to wear things that makes me feels good. Makes me looks good and makes me feels good. The first is the feeling. I have to feel good in it. I have to feel good in it, and it has to look good. So if I don't feel good and it doesn't look good, then I'm not going to buy it. So sometimes I buy dress from the Lidl, from the Aldi. If I see something nice I like, I buy it. I buy something from the CK Maxx. I buy something from Zalando. Once in a while, if I'm in the city, I might pass through the Zara and look for what they have, and H&M and the Mango. I buy pieces from everywhere. It all depends on how it looks, how I feel. Do I like it? I'm not really buying stuff because, oh, this is an expensive brand. That's the reason why when I dress, I mix my brand. I can have a dress, a trousers from AliExpress, and a top from Zalando that costs maybe 100 or 200 euros. But when I style it, everything just looks so beautiful. I remember I went on a holiday, and then there was this clothes that was this pants I had on, a white pants, a white loafers, and a blue striped shirt from Polo. And I got so much compliment, so much compliment on that outfit, so much. And then a lady walked up to me and she was like, "Oh, I love your outfits. Where do you get the pants from? The pants look so beautiful, so chic." And I told her from AliExpress. She was shocked. She was like, "And the top." I'm like, "It's a polo shirt. I got this from Zalando." I'll put a picture here of the outfit. The outfit was so simple, but I looked so classy, and it was just a combination of everything. I had an AliExpress. I had this bag on. I have an AliExpress bag, an AliExpress trousers, an AliExpress belt, and a brown shoe from Zalando that I purchased like almost 200 or something like that, and a polo shirt that I picked up for 170 something, 175 or something around that area. But when I styled it on, everything just looked good. You cannot tell me that the trousers was not looking good because it's from AliExpress. So for me, it's not really about um, designer. It's just I like to combine pieces. I like buying pieces from different places. I can get a piece from AliExpress and I'll mix it with an high-end brand, and I can get a pieces from the Lidl. I can mix it with an high-end brand. Sometimes we look down on these stores like the Lidl and the Aldi. We think, oh, because they are just local food stores, they have some really good qualities. Yeah, most of my leggings, like this ones, I pick all of them from the either from the Lidl or from the Aldi. Most of these leggings I have, like, I have so much backup of leggings like this ones. You guys see, Lidl, Aldi, Kreuzbart. I have so much of these things that I just buy and keep. So most of my leggings, I picked them from the Lidl, from the Aldi, from the Kreuzberg, and yeah. So fashion is not all about expensive stuff, and yeah, it doesn't mean that I cannot afford the expensive stuff, but I don't like branded things. I don't like things that have logos. Of course, there was a time I used to wear them. Now I'm trying to minimize it in my wardrobe as I grow older. I minimize it, but it's not something I buy these days now so easily. Like I said, as you're growing, you're finding your style, you're learning about yourself, and you're finding the things that you like and don't like. And that for me is what fashion is all about. My style haven't really changed a lot, just that now I'm more comfortable and secure with the things I like and how I look in them. Because if you've known me throughout the years, you know that I've always been very simple dressing. Always I like simple, clean and classy look. That's my look. I like it has to be simple, clean and classy. That's that's the look I go for. So my style hasn't really changed. If you watch all my old pictures, my style has elevated. As I grow older, my style elevated. Now I feel more comfortable with the colors I feel comfortable in. When I was young, I was you got influence around you. People make suggestions. People give comments like, "Oh, now you always wear black. Why you always wear this color? Why you always wear? You should wear this. You should wear this. Try this. This is fashion." So of course, people give suggestion and people give their opinion, and of course, when you're young, you kind of feel a little bit influenced to go to do what others want you to do. But as you grow older, you find yourself, you feel comfortable in yourself, and you stay in your own path, and you choose your own lane. So now everybody know that this is Ami, and they still have the rights and the freedom to give opinions, but am I influenced with those opinions? No. Now I'm a 34, gonna be 34 very soon, a woman, 34, 30, almost 34-old woman who knows what she wants, who knows what feels comfortable and good on her. So everyone's opinion and suggestion does not really count to me at this stage in my life. I do what I want to do. I do what makes me happy. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. But it's a beautiful thing. As I grow older, I learned, like I always said, life is a lesson. Every day you learn. The only thing is that you have to be open to learn. You don't have to dismiss the learning process. You have to be willing to learn, and you have to be open to learn. And clothes from the Aldi, from the Lidls, are very, very good qualities. They are really, really good. There's so many pieces that I mismatch that people think people think that they are super, super expensive. And then when I tell them where I get every piece from, they're like, wow, I have so many pieces that I've put together that I get great compliments on. But then when I tell people where I get them from, they're like, what? What? I'm like, yeah. I like to mix and match pieces. I don't like to just go with the flow, or because this particular thing is trending, I want to get it because it's trending. Everyone is having it now. Those days are gone. Those days are gone. Now I'm buying what I like, what looks good on me, what I feel comfortable in. That is what I am buying. So yeah, this is the outfit. Look, I love this dress. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. I always feel so comfortable. I feel so powerful. I feel bossy whenever I'm in black. I don't know. I just feel so bossy. I just feel comfortable. I feel beautiful. I feel sexy. I feel elegant. That's the reason why I love black, because I just black bring out my personality. It brings out the thing in me, the ambition that I have, the things that I want to be, where I see myself. And I'm a boss girl. I want to be bossy, not bossy in the sense that controlling or like that, but I just want to be a better version of myself, and be proud. Be comfortable, be beautiful, be sexy, be all the amazing things. So when I wear black, I feel all of those. I feel confident. Of course, sometimes I wear black, and I go out and people be looking at me like, but I don't really mind because it's me. So yeah, this is Friday. It's weekend. Simplest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. This is the outlook. Heel out for your liefde and understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I'm gonna try to do videos also Sundays when I'm going out. I'm gonna try to do videos, and I'm gonna try my best. But if not, I'll see you guys next week, Monday. Thank you guys so much. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye.